Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. You're watching Tosharaenailed. We're going to do a really simple, easy manicure using the November collection from Madam Glam 2024. This is our Harvest Hue. So let me just clean up these two nails. We're going to do one that's an accent nail and one that's just going to go with the rest of the nails. So I'm just going to clean these up. We just finished filing this off and taking off the old product and prepping that nail. These are the colors that I'm going to use today from this collection. And I'm going to start off with my Young Nails Protein Bond. We're going to do 2 coats of this on the nail. And you want to let it dry in between those 2 coats. By the way, if you enjoy these kind of videos and you're not subscribed, you might consider subscribing and hit that like button on your way out. For our base, I'm going to start off with our Madam Glam Fiberglass base, which is just a beautiful product. Works really well. It's really strong, and those fibers help it to maintain its strength over the weeks. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. It's really nice and thin. It's my favorite builder gel. So you'll have to, or it's really not a builder gel, but it's a base. But I use it basically for all of my manicures because I love it that much. It's going to apply just as easy as a regular nice thin coat of base. You're going to notice some little fibers that kind of dissolve into that base layer, and that's really going to help that strength, like I said. And it also, because it's helping with the strength of your nails, and this can just be soaked off like just a regular soft gel, you're not going to do any damage to that nail. The only extra tip I would probably give with it is just really make sure, that you cap that free edge, because that's going to give you that added strength as well. Now you can go in with 2 coats of base. I'm just going to go in with 1 today because I know we're going to be changing her nails probably in a week or 2 anyway. This is going to cure under your UV LED lamp for 30 seconds. I figured I could probably squeeze in a little bit of nail vlogging here in our time while we're doing this little tutorial. So really, again, kind of not much has been going on from the last time that I kind of chit-chatted with you guys. I have been dealing with pneumonia and just kind of coming off and on from colds, but this weather is really changing. The only thing I'm going to need as far as a tool is going to be for using my paints here, my gel paints, and we're just going to kind of just do random little shapes and swirlies. I really want that back of the nail to just kind of peek through, that natural looking nail. So yeah, really easy, like I said, and fast. You're just going to use your little, liner here to go in and just do swirlies. Basically, you can't go wrong here. You're just going to kind of change up the colors just wherever you want to put them. Anyway, I'm sure that most of us out here have been dealing with the weather changing and the allergies, and probably this is starting the round of the flu and all those wonderful things that we get during the big holidays. You know how it goes. But other than that, I'm just trying to kind of rest my body, get back to a healthier pace and speed. And what else is going on? Well, let's see, we have elections going on right now. So I'm sure I will be up watching the TV, waiting anxiously for what news is going to come down. I know it's not going to be overnight. I don't know when we've ever actually had results like by the end of the night or in the morning. Only a few times in my life have I ever had that happen. So I'm not expecting that, especially not this time. And I'm sure we're going to have a lot of chaos, and probably that's how it's going to land. But no matter how you vote, hopefully you did get out and vote and express your opinion, because that is the great thing about living here in America. We get to do that. And I'm really thankful for that. And I don't ever want to lose that opportunity. Certainly, if you are not at a place in life where you are able to vote at this point, just know that it's something that is so extremely important to your life now and your future. So for the younger ones that are coming up, just know, don't sit out an election. Take advantage of your right to speak your mind any chance that you are given. because it's a privilege that not everybody across this world has. We just finished up Halloween, and honestly, I think because I was sick like the last couple weeks of it, I feel like I didn't get to do all the nail art I didn't get around to doing. I am still feeling really scatterbrained from having this cold. So when you know that you got your artwork all set and ready to go, you're just going to go under the lamp for 30 seconds. When she comes out, we're going to use this glitter top coat by Madam Glam. Comes again in the Harvest You collection. Super, super pretty. We're just going to nuke this round for 30 seconds. And then we'll come back and apply a final round of top coat. I have a feeling that this particular glitter is going to become one of my favorites. Let me show you all the colors in the collection again, just so you've got that in mind. You can always head over to madamglam.com. If they're not already running a big special or a sale, you can use my code. It's Tosha, all capital letters, TOSHA, the number 40. That saves you 40% off. In other news around here this week, so we had one chicken remaining in our chicken coop, and our dog, the big thing, Edith, she figured out how to get into that coop again, and she got the last of our chickens. So it was really, really sad. We spent all weekend tearing the whole entire coop and everything down. It took us 2 full days of work to do that. And like I said, I haven't been feeling great, and it was storming, so that's just been kind of a sad mess that's been going on. I know it's not like the best topic to talk about, and we really, really, really did try to do everything we possibly could to prevent her from being able to get to the chickens. We're going to do one final look-see and a little bit of finishing file here, and then she is all good to go and out of here. Until next time. Finish up my chicken story. So yeah, we tried everything to prevent her from getting to the chickens. But she's 100 pounds and she's bull-headed. She got a big head, and somehow she got her way through the chicken wire fence and everything and got to the chicken. I never let her go outside by herself. I put her outside, I ran to the bathroom, came back outside, and she was in there with chicken. What are you gonna do, guys? You know, sometimes we live and learn. But here's our nails, our pretty nails. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and try it out yourself. Definitely tag me if you decide to do this little look on somebody, and I will be back very, very soon.